Focus for Growth, we have had literally thousands of sales professionals and business development professionals work through our Inspire, Influence, Sell program. And through the work with those clients, we've been upgrading our program. We're now launching the new Inspire, Influence, Sell program. It's a program based on the content, principles, and models from the best-selling book, Inspire, Influence, Sell. The models are used by some of the fastest growing businesses in the world. The latest program takes a blended approach. All participants get a signed copy of Inspire, Influence, Sell and a digital copy. We invite everybody to start the program by taking our Sales Acceleration Scorecard. The scorecard is an online platform that hosts 46 assessment statements. It takes around 12 minutes to complete, and we invite all participants to go through that scorecard before they do anything, even if they choose not to enroll on a program with us. Once they've completed that scorecard, they get a personalised PDF report delivered straight to their inbox, which helps them understand where they already have strengths in selling and influencing, where they have some clear development areas, and where they have blind spots. Those areas of development that perhaps they haven't even considered. Just working through the scorecard creates that self-awareness. Once you've completed the scorecard, you've had a chance to reflect on your development areas, then you're ready to start the program. You'll join us at one of our online launch workshops run on the Zoom platform. We record the session, we host it on a private learning development platform, so if you want to revisit any of the content, any of the live workshop sessions, you've got the option to do that. As we work through the program roadmap, we cover all of the key principles, not only from the book, but also from the programs that we run with Focus for Growth private clients. We go through every stage of the sales process. We start with mindset. How do we prime ourselves for success, get ready to grow, get ready to engage the customer? We then work through a series of modules that help us to reorientate ourselves towards the customer. We take a proven, structured approach to planning for key customer meetings and then working through the optimal stages of the sales process so that we start to create reproducible and predictable sales results. The program runs for 12 months from launch, and you'll have access to 12 monthly live Zoom workshops. There is also an online training portal that has all of the content broken down into simple to follow, easy modules that take you step by step right the way through our sales process. Once you've worked through the modules, you've attended the live workshops, read the content from the book, and you've worked through our Inspire Sales Toolkit, you will have everything you need to take the optimal sales approach to your customers, to your territory, and to your business. You will find that your sales performance, your sales confidence, and your sales results grow exponentially. Growth that our clients experience once they work through this model and start applying it with their own customers, their own marketplace, their own business opportunities is truly breathtaking. The final stage then is to complete the scorecard again. You'll be able to see the measurable improvements that you've made throughout the course of our program. I invite you to join us, take the scorecard, read the book. There will be details on the comments of this video.